Hello everyone, and welcome back to our journey exploring global agriculture. Today, join us as we discover a fascinating plant hidden beneath cool, refreshing waters, a plant that has helped feed millions of people around the world. Seaweed. Few people realize that every year, the world produces nearly 38 million tons of algae and seaweed, making it one of the fastest growing sectors in global aquaculture. From the cold waters of South Korea and Japan to the tropical coastlines of Indonesia and the Philippines, seaweed is becoming a valuable source of nutrition, an important industrial material, and a highly promising ecological solution. And now, let's begin the exciting journey behind the crispy, flavorful seaweed we enjoy every day. Seaweed farming is not as simple as placing seedlings into the water. The journey begins with choosing the right location. Farmers must carefully select areas with ideal conditions: moderate currents, clean water, stable salinity, and shallow depths with plenty of sunlight. Sunlight is essential because seaweed absorbs energy directly to grow. Most large seaweed farms are located in Asia, a region that currently accounts for more than 90% of global aquaculture production. China, Indonesia, and South Korea are among the leading countries, supplying a large portion of the world's seaweed market. Once ropes or nets are anchored into the sea, young seaweed begins to grow. Throughout this process, farmers regularly monitor water quality, current speed, and signs of disease or damage. In some cases, they adjust the position of the ropes or nets to provide the best possible growing conditions. Compared to land-based crops, seaweed requires far less maintenance. However, proper care and correct timing are still essential to ensure a high-quality harvest. After several months of cultivation, the seaweed is ready to be harvested. Depending on the size of the farm, harvesting may be done manually or with specialized equipment. Farmers carefully cut the seaweed from the ropes while always leaving part of the base behind, allowing it to regenerate and be harvested again in the future. This method is known as selective harvesting, enabling the same farming area to produce continuously for many years without exhausting marine resources. Harvesting seaweed is far from easy. Large waves, strong currents, and constantly changing weather make it a physically demanding and sometimes dangerous job. Yet for many fishermen, the moment they pull the first harvest from the water represents the reward for months of patience and hard work. In some regions of South Korea, winter seaweed is considered a prized delicacy. Immediately after harvesting, the seaweed is brought ashore and thoroughly cleaned to remove sand, mud, and marine organisms attached to the surface. Many types are dried right away, while certain special varieties are carefully rolled by hand into small portions by female fishermen. This process helps preserve the seaweed's natural softness, retain its distinctive ocean flavor, and extend shelf life without reducing its nutritional value. These traditional techniques have helped transform seaweed into a famous winter food in South Korea, where millions of tons of processed seaweed are consumed each year. Seaweed processing is a crucial step in turning raw materials into valuable products. Depending on the intended use, processing methods may vary. Now, let's visit several factories in South Korea to see how dried seaweed is processed. Right after harvesting, fresh seaweed is transported directly from the sea to the production line to ensure maximum freshness. The first step is automated washing. Modern systems use seawater or clean water to completely remove impurities such as sand and marine organisms. Next, the seaweed is soaked in salt water, an important step that enhances flavor while naturally preserving the product by limiting bacterial and mold growth. After that, the seaweed is placed into a hydraulic press to remove excess water. This pressing process not only supports drying but also helps distribute salt evenly, creating a richer flavor while maintaining the signature crispy texture after drying. Following the pressing stage, workers gently smooth each sheet before cutting it into suitable sizes. The seaweed is then transferred to industrial dryers, where temperature and airflow are carefully controlled to achieve perfect drying. This process removes moisture, creates a crispy texture, and preserves both natural flavor and valuable nutrients. Once the required dryness is reached, large sheets of dried seaweed pass through automatic cutting machines, where they are sliced into uniform pieces according to market standards. The cutters are precisely programmed to ensure consistent sizing without breaking the seaweed. Finally, the seaweed pieces go through a final quality inspection before packaging. The packaging process uses specialized airtight materials to preserve crispness and flavor while preventing moisture and bacteria from entering, allowing the products to be exported worldwide. Seaweed is not only a nutritious snack, but also a convenient ingredient for everyday meals. In many Asian countries, it is used in soups, rice rolls, salads, and nutritious broths. With just a few pieces of seaweed added to broth, meat, or seafood, we can create a meal rich in nutrients. Beyond traditional products, seaweed snacks are becoming increasingly popular thanks to their unique flavor and convenience. More than just a snack or soup ingredient, seaweed is a rich source of vitamins and minerals, supporting digestion, boosting the immune system, and helping detoxify the body due to its high antioxidant content. This is why seaweed continues to gain popularity in global healthy eating trends. To make seaweed snacks, dried seaweed is seasoned with sesame oil, salt, or light spices, creating a crispy and flavorful treat suitable for both children and adults. Today, those small snack packs are the result of an entire system of farming, production, and modern technology working behind the scenes. As the world's population continues to grow, the demand for sustainable food sources is increasing. Global aquaculture production has surpassed 130 million tons, and seaweed is playing an increasingly important role as a green, environmentally friendly food source. Requiring no farmland and no fresh water, seaweed is considered one of the agricultural solutions of the future. From farmers working at sea to high-tech factories on shore, every step contributes to the remarkable journey of this simple yet extraordinary plant. And that is the complete journey of seaweed, from its earliest stages to the nutritious products we enjoy every day. We hope that after watching this video, you will see familiar pieces of seaweed from a completely new perspective, recognizing the hard work, technology, and the rapidly growing marine agriculture industry behind them. If you enjoyed today's journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to join us for more fascinating agricultural stories. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.